I don't know if I've emphasized quite sufficiently about how bad I feel about kicking this bird out of the area here. Oh, there he is. There he is. You can see him. Her. You can see her. Maybe. I'm going to try and bring it in. Yeah, it's always blurry. I don't know why I even bother. Anyway, it was just here. So if it was clear at all, you can, you know, go back, pause, whatever, if interested. But it's made another entire nest. This is not a good spot. Seems like a good spot. I get that. It's not a good spot. So I had to take the nest out again. And I had put my plants out. So we're going to have a brief interlude of here's my plants. There's the hyacinths, these. That the flowers have faded out and they're gone. So those will get planted over there. And then, I'm trying to move really slowly, but it's, again, I am new to all this, so I don't know what's too fast, what's too slow. You could always skip ahead, or stop, or whatever. Alright, that's the tomato plants. Let's see if, wasp, no. Yeah, I'm allergic, so that's extra scary. Alright, Nestside story, going strong. Oh my god. Alright, so here we have, sorry if it's all dirty, well I know it's dirty, but sorry it is all dirty. But there, we got Super Sweet 100. We've got this, which I'm new to entirely. There we go. I hope that's clear. Indigo Ruby. And Jubilee. So that's what's going in the garden. And for those who get wasp, get away from me. Yay, nature. For those who buy plants, if you notice, I was very careful to try and get plants that had multiples per area here. So the one on the left, you see there's 3, and then the 2 in the back, there's 2 plants in each spot. So I didn't get 4 plants here. I got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants. So yeah, this one, that was more expensive. I'm hoping I'm getting 3 out of that, but they're so close. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And here's the succulents I just bought, which I probably shouldn't have, but they make me happy. And this one is fuzzy. How often do you get a fuzzy plant? I mean, come on. That's awesome. I couldn't get the one that I really, really wanted, but, I mean, a fuzzy one and a purpley one? Come on. That's awesome. Alright. Oh my god. Oh, no, don't drop. Okay, I might have to put the phone down. Let's find out. Oh my god. Alright, my back is really bad. So, yeah, I shouldn't even put these out in the first place, but I wanted them to get a little extra sun. You know, I wanted the plants that I'm going to put outside to get acclimated to outside a bit. That's the plan anyway. And then, yeah, I mean, why not? Succulents get some air and nice light and whatnot. Ooh. Alright, I just noticed this green one. I mean, as opposed to the purpley one. It's got, like a red edge. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Alright. Alright, here we go. I feel so incredibly mean. But if I don't keep taking it out, I mean, what's my choice here? So, oh, please don't all blow all over me. when I take you out. Oh, they did so much work. Look at this. Can you see this? Can you see it? Oh my God. Look at how much work that is. I feel terrible. And look, they're not even just picking up the stuff that they already had before. They're getting brand new stuff. See that? There's the old stuff. That's a lot of work. And I feel bad, but it's... Alright, look how close the door is. Turning, turning, turning. This is it. This is the whole porch. So if I'm trying to hang laundry or just going outside, this is how close they are. Not good. Not a good plan. I don't want to scare baby birds. I don't want to scare the mama. So the new plan is I'm going to take foil and just cover in front of the whole thing. Foil not known for its immense strength or anything, but the reflectiveness goes along with the whole mirror idea, which worked pretty well over there. And then I have some kind of thick, clear plastic that I'm going to get the... Sorry, that's a really loud truck. I'm going to get the staple gun and just staple it up there. And you know what? I don't know. I have to see how it goes once I'm like standing up there and doing that when my back isn't so bad. I don't know. Maybe I can do... Oh, I'm going to have to take something for my back. I try not to take stuff. I have to see, because I don't want to take a chance also that it would get trapped behind there. Because, I mean, that's super awful. You know, I don't want to harm the little guy. I want her to, you know, go live her life and be happy away from me. Which actually, as an introvert, is something that I wish for most beings. Go be happy elsewhere. Yeah. By the way, did you notice the amount of dandelions here? Holy crap. Yeah, it's a lot. I may really have to get information on how you're supposed to eat the flowers and stuff. Because, I mean, just the sheer amount. If I remember right, I'm not exactly a fan of the leaves. But, I mean, they even sell that in stores in the city. I imagine that a young leaf would be tastier than a older leaf. Alright, I can't believe I'm going to put this thing in my mouth. Alright, here goes. I'm not going to show you. I'm just going to... let's see. What's pleasant to look at while I'm doing this. Ooh, how about the, oh, sorry about that. How about the garlic area? It's so nice, light green and fresh looking. Alright, here goes. Alright, I'm gonna try the end first. Oh God! No, that wasn't about the thing. There's a wasp. Alright, here goes. Pretty much tastes like grass. Like, ew. Oh, gross. Sorry. Oh, God. It's so bitter. It is so bitter. Oh, that is disgusting. Alright, this is over. Bye.